Patara was the jewel of the Lycian League. Since the 5th century BC, it was a powerhouse of maritime trade. Its strategic location made it a crucial trade hub in the Aegean and Mediterranean seas. Merchants exchanged goods from exotic spices to precious metals and ideas. Philosophers, scholars, and artists mingled with traders and seafarers, creating a melting pot of cultures and thoughts. Tucked away on the Turkish Riviera is the city of Patara. Legend has it, it was founded by the son of Apollo, Patarus. Excavations have uncovered the huge agora and tombs, also a colonnade that was over 800 meters long. Patara had a huge industry producing purple dye from sea snails. This was highly prized because it colored royal robes. In the 4th century BC, Patara minted its own coinage with the pictures of Apollo and Artemis on the coins. These are now prized by collectors. One of the most important cities in Lycia, this prominent port city lasted over 1,000 years. Lycian civilization had a sophisticated political structure. It's also believed to have influenced the United States government's federal system. In the heart of the city stood the majestic Assembly Hall. Where representatives from Lycian cities each had one vote, regardless of the city's size. Patara was also a religious and cultural center, home of the Oracle of Apollo. Seekers of wisdom would journey far and wide to consult the oracle for both prophecies and guidance. The amphitheater hosted dramatic performances. It depicted myths, legends, and tales of morality. The decline of Patara came gradually. The harbor silted up and slowly succumbed to silence. In the ruins of Patara, we find a mirror reflecting the complexities and wonders of human civilization. Today it reminds us of the enduring legacy of the Lycians, their culture, and their cities by the sea. Nestled in the embrace of the Aegean Sea lies Fethiye. Surrounded by the Taurus Mountains, it's a testament to the past and present. It's seen the rise and fall of the world's greatest empires, Greek, Roman, and Ottoman. The natural beauty of Fethiye is undeniable. And its jewel is Uludden's beach.
sunset's light on the Aegean Sea etches itself into your memory. Kadıköy is an abandoned town in Turkey, and it stands as a silent testament to the tumultuous Greco-Turkish War and its tragic history. In 1923, the Treaty of Lausanne mandated a population exchange between Greece and Turkey. It permanently reshaped both societies. Over 1.5 million Christians in Turkey and 500,000 Muslims in Greece had to abandon their centuries-old homes. It altered the cultural tapestry in both nations. The Greek Christians of Turkey established in regions like Izmir and Pontus, and the Muslims of Greece from areas such as Crete and Macedonia were uprooted based solely on their personal religious preferences. The consequences of this were devastating. Families split apart, homes and businesses left abandoned. The economic devastation created by this exchange was profound on both sides. Both countries had to deal with a loss of skilled workers and economic hardships. And psychologically, the impact was immeasurable. A sense of loss prevailed, affecting generations of people. It also fostered a deep-rooted mistrust between Greece and Turkey that still lingers today. The population exchange in 1923 is a stark reminder of the dire human cost of political decisions, highlighting the dangers of enforcing homogeny at the expense of religious freedom, cultural diversity, and human dignity. Fethiye Seaport is a bustling hub where the pulse of the city's heartbeat can be felt. Here, traditional wooden gullets line the harbor, ready to take adventurers on a journey across the waves. A place where visitors can explore the local crafts, trinkets, and exotic spices. Fethiye is also the start of the Lycian Way. This is a long-distance hiking trail renowned worldwide, and it gives the traveler a path through terrain and time. In the Taurus Mountains, each step of the Lycian Way is a journey through history. It's a place where the past and present dance as one, and every moment is to be cherished. Fethiye stands as the essence of Turkey.
Please like and subscribe. Join us as we show you the world. These are my last looks.